Hey everyone, this is Thomas with Sketchup Architect, and in this video lesson we are going to go over importing your SketchUp model into Lumion 7.5. Lumion 7.5 is a fantastic program that allows you to create some stunning renderings and animations, and as you will see in this video lesson, it's really easy to use, and we will go over some of the basic steps to import your SketchUp model, to import people, to change your sun settings, to modify terrain, and how to create a day render, an evening render, and lastly we will go over how to save your images and how to create a video and animation. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. Leave some comments, some feedback. I would love to hear from you. Let's go ahead and get started.